Today I'm going to show you how to make a website like this in 5 minutes. So the first thing you'll want to do is open Claude in your browser here, and once you're logged in, you will see this new design tab over to the left side. So click the design tab, and this takes you right into the Claude design interface. You can see we have our configuration panel on the left and this canvas style panel on the right. So let's jump straight into creating a new prototype, and I'll call this Evan's prototype. And I'm going to select wireframe for this one and click create. So this is where we start actually building our website with the prompt window on the left, and you'll see Claude Design's actions and creations appear over on the right hand side. So you can build whatever type of website you want, but for this video I'm using the example of a project portfolio website. So you can see my prompt here: create a portfolio website for me to showcase my individual projects I've made. I want a big impressive hero section with my name, Evan's Portfolio, and a grid section below with cards for each of my projects. So you can see I'm keeping this pretty simple, and I'm going to hit send. So Claude will ask you unique questions based on the prompt you gave it. So I'm going to answer a couple of these questions so you can see how it works, and then I'm going to skip ahead. You can see there's a lot of questions, and these questions are unique to your site. So how many projects do I have in my portfolio? Let's say 6 to 8. What kind of projects? I'm going to say codes and apps. And then I'm going to go and answer the rest of these questions and click continue. And you can see immediately stuff starts appearing in this canvas here as Claude starts to build this out. Okay, that took about 2 to 3 minutes to load, but now Claude has 3 examples for me to look at. So these are mock-ups of a potential portfolio website. So here's one with this header and the sections below like this. Okay, and then here's option 2, kind of a split hero with more symmetrical grids. And then here's one with just big one-liner, and then more of a card style layout below. So not a grid, but just a list almost. Okay, and then just a few more options, but I like option 1 here the best. So simply just tell Claude what your preference is if you like one version the best. So I'm going to say let's go with option 1. And so now it will start fleshing out the website based off of this mockup because I chose option 1. So again, now it's going to ask you more questions. So you can kind of see the pattern here. You enter a prompt, Claude asks you clarifying questions, you answer those questions, and then it starts building. So this is an iterative process to get your website exactly how you want it. And I think this is good because it keeps the human in charge of all the big decisions, and Claude just does the heavy lifting of the actual work, saving you hours and hours of your time. So I don't really care. I'm just going to click through these for the sake of the tutorial. Alright, so that went much quicker, probably just 1 minute, and you can see here we have a more fleshed out version of the portfolio that I selected. So we got our hero section, like I mentioned, with a big text, and then below all the cards of my projects. So these are all placeholders obviously, but it's looking kind of cool. And so I like the direction this is going. If you don't like your outputs, you can always just prompt it to make changes as well. There's an edit button here, and this is actually pretty cool. You can go straight in and edit the text like so, okay? And you can edit, the images as well, change all the styles and the colors and the padding and the width. So this allows you a lot of manual override of Claude's outputs. But keep in mind, when you're using edit mode, all it does is tracks your edits and puts them in a prompt for Claude Design to then make those edits. So using this edit mode contributes to your weekly usage. So I'm going to quickly show. You can see the Claude Design usage actually goes pretty quickly. So far in this video, when we started, I was at 0%, so we've used 9% just in the few minutes that we've been using it. This is actually better than it was just a week ago when this came out. Last week when I tested this out, getting to this point, had already used 68% of my usage. And now you can see it's only 9%, so I think they're making improvements to make it more and more efficient, so that's good. So as well, there's some options here. You can see present, full screen, and this is where you could better view your website and how it would look. So I'm happy with this, but there's a lot of changes I want to make. I need to replace all these images. I might want to change some of the text, and I don't want to burn through my Claude Design token usage for the week. So there's this cool option here where you click share, and down at the bottom, Handoff to Claude Code. So I'm going to try to send to Claude Code on web. I have Claude Design open on the web, so I'm going to do Claude Code on web. But let's try open Claude Code in web. So clicking that button immediately opened a new instance of Claude Code with this prompt to get it started and give it all the context on our website and ensure a smooth handoff. So you can see here Claude Code's just getting up to speed, reading through the files and starting to build this out. So at this point in the video, you should know how to sign into Claude Design, start building your website, make changes and edits, and then also how to hand off to Claude Code so you don't use up all your design weekly usage in one go. At this point, all you have to do is continue making iterations in Claude Code, whether that's in the prompt interface or if you're on the desktop app, you should have a preview on the right-hand side and you can make edits directly in there. To clarify, this is not a full tutorial on Claude Design and all the functionality, but rather how to get a website up in just a few minutes. So I hope this video did that for you and you got something valuable out of it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And Claude Design is brand new. It's barely over a week old, so I'm sure there's much more functionality and updates coming out. So I'll make sure to keep you guys updated, and thank you for watching.